This is the iGarden M1-AI robotic pool cleaner, the best looking pool cleaner on the market today, but looks can only get you so far. In today's video, we're going to find out if it's a good cleaner or not. So without further ado, let's jump in the video. First things first, I do want to let you know that iGarden did send out a media sample so I could check it out for you guys, but I do not allow any other types of sponsorships on any of my channels. Now, the iGarden M1-AI is the most advanced pool cleaner that iGarden has made thus far, and they are not new to the industry. They've actually been out for a few years now, and they've always had great looking pool cleaners, but this is like only the second or third one I ever checked out, and by far, this is the best looking one. Now, when you go looking online, you might find different numbers after the M1-AI. That is its spec battery life. So if you have a bigger pool, you might want a bigger battery that lasts longer, or maybe if you go away for weeks on end, you might want a bigger battery. Unfortunately, the bigger battery, the longer batteries cost more. So just keep that in mind. And it's pretty easy once you understand their naming convention. A M1-AI 45 would be 4.5 hours. A 55 would be 5.5 hours. A 70 is 7 hours. I think there's a 90, which is 9 hours. There's 125, which is 12.5 hours, which is unbelievable. And every once in a blue moon, I even see a 160, which is 16 hours, which is incredible. But then you get really expensive once you get past like the 9 hours or so. Not quite sure if it's worth it, but if you have a right situation, you need something a little bit longer, at least they have those options for you. Otherwise, the M1-AI, no matter what number is after that, is all exactly the same except for the battery life. But now that's out of the way, I was kind of confused about that before I learned about that, so hopefully you understand more about that second number now. But the main thing about the M1-AI versus some of their other pool cleaners is their AI vision, which actually has dual cameras. Yes, there are 2 cameras on here for the AI mode. Now, this AI mode we've seen very similar in other pool cleaners, and it's one of the best features I've ever seen in any pool cleaner, and that is kind of finding your debris super quick. So if you forget you're having people over to the house and you go out to the pool and you see it's dirty, you can simply throw this in AI mode, and it's going to clean your pool of visual debris within minutes because it has those cameras. It can see the debris, and it's going to focus on the debris and get it cleaned up in no time. And it's really cool to see in action, as you can see on the screen right now. Now, they say dual cameras will also detect other things, but in my testing, it really didn't avoid anything. If I had toys in the pool or the drain, the machine just ran right over it. It didn't avoid anything at all. So I'm not quite sure why they say it has obstacle avoidance, because I didn't see that at all, even though they do have those dual cameras. I think those cameras are there just to find debris. And this AI mode is the reason you would buy this over other iGarden pool cleaners that are cheaper. Having that AI mode is definitely a game changer, and is one of my favorite features of any pool cleaner. There's a few out there that have this AI mode or AI patrol feature, which I absolutely love. Now, unfortunately, this AI mode will only work on floor only, which kind of makes sense. But if you did want to clean the floors and the walls, you can do that. Or if you want to clean the walls only, there is a mode within the app that you can set. Or you can set this as full coverage, which is pretty much the exact same thing as floor and walls. Just remember, this is not a pool skimmer, as it does not do the surface. And what's also really unique about this machine is that there are actually 5 buttons, or like a touch screen on the machine itself, so you can change the mode or even put it into AI mode or change the time via the pool cleaner, and you don't have to use the app. Other pool cleaners out there with these advanced features, the only way to activate them is through the app, but iGarden really has a nice design here, and you can do all that right on the robot. Now, the particular model that I got was the M1-AI 60, which I don't see available for purchase anywhere. Nevertheless, it's just a battery life. And in my testing, the 60 got 5 hours and 48 minutes in my testing. Now, understand I only test battery life on the complete mode or the all mode or the full coverage mode, and you might get longer depending on mode that you run it in. In those 5 hours and 48 minutes that I had it on full coverage, that did the floors and the walls, I got about 88% coverage of my particular pool. You're going to get different results depending on your pool design and size. Obviously, you don't run the pool cleaner just once. You run your pool cleaner every 2 to 3 days if you're home. And if you're going away, you throw in the pool and you set it on a schedule and run it every other day for a specific amount of time, say like 45 minutes. So it's not just a one-time cleaning. It's just my testing is just to see how much can get done in one pool cycle, which in this case it got 88%, as it did avoid a lot of the wall for some reason. And then I also want to note, if you run this in wall only mode, it really misses a lot because the way it moves over, it just moves over way too much and misses a lot of spots. And then when it's all done, it'll just sit at the bottom of the pool and you fish it out with the included hook and you use your own pool to fish it out. Unfortunately, it does not have any parking feature, no waterline parking feature, no surface parking feature. The only way to get out of the pool is to fish it out from the bottom of the pool. And when you do that, it is much heavier. Obviously, it's filled with water. When it's all nice and dry, it's about 26 pounds, depending on which model you buy, plus or minus a pound or so. And then when you take it out, it is quite heavier. You can see here I got about 49 pounds for a split second before the water starts all draining out. So if you're not a bigger, stronger person, this might not be a good pool cleaner for you because it is a bigger, heavier machine. And then you can clean out the debris bin, which is a nice size debris bin, about 4.5 liters, and it's really easy to get it off the machine. You just pull up the debris bin directly from the robot, as there's no additional cover to open up to access the debris bin. Although the bottom of the debris bin you still have to open up, and then you have to spray water in there, and unfortunately it's not a blow through basket, so it does take a little bit longer to clean out. Nevertheless, it's still a good size. Unfortunately, there's no ultra fine filter for this. They do include a second filter for the back of this filter, even though the other sides are wide open. So having dual layers is a plus, I suppose, but you know, it's not ultra fine. It's the same type of filter, just dual layers. So I'm not quite sure if that's better, especially when it's only on one side of the debris basket. And then to charge it up, it is a plug-in. There is a water seal on the back of it and you plug it in. Unfortunately, there's no dock with the iGarden M1. I would really like to see a dock charging station in this price range, and unfortunately this does not come with one. I don't think any iGardens have a dock, and that is a must-have for me, especially in this price range. However, this thing looks amazing. It is the best looking sports car, pool cleaner on the market today, and the looks of this just blows me away every time that I look at it. And the whole design, even though it looks like it has wheels, it actually has a track underneath. So it has a combination of wheels and track, and the track is actually used to help get up steps. Even though I wouldn't consider it cleaning the steps, it just kind of goes up there and won't get stuck. Where some other pool cleaners that only had wheels always got stuck on steps, and this one will not. And then it has the front cleaning brush. Unfortunately, there's no rear brush, which I expect in this price range. Also, nevertheless, that's your main brush, and that's pretty much all most people need. But for this price range, you really expect a second brush in the back, and this does not have it. And then on the very front, that is where your dual cameras are. And right in the middle of the dual cameras, there is a light. Yes, there is a light on here. So if you want to use the AI mode at night, you can definitely do so. And you can see me testing it here. And it works quite well even at night because of that light, which automatically turns on. It's not a setting, by the way, in the app. It automatically turns on when it's dark enough, and then it will automatically turn on. All in all, this is a good pool cleaner. I do have some reservations about some of the things for the price, depending on what you need. If you're looking for something with the AI mode, which is definitely a game changer, this is one of them. And then if you also want a long, super long battery life, you're going to pay for it, but at least they have models available for you that has these super long battery lives, which is really nice for certain people. And if you're looking for the best looking one, this is definitely it in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. But if you don't need one of those three things, there might be other better options out there for you. I will be doing a comparison chart on my website so you can see all these features stacked up against other pool cleaners on the market. So definitely check out that link down below. And if you guys want more information, I'll leave affiliate links down below. Also, I appreciate you watching. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button. And if you're a pool owner and tech lover like I am, definitely hit that subscribe button, as I do pool cleaning reviews all the time on this channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.